In the Organics Recycling Center Midori-kan, located in Motegi Town, Tochigi Prefecture, high-quality compost is produced from raw garbage, bovine dung, fallen leaves, rice husks, and forest thinnings generated in the town. Compost is effective in soil improvement, and as a result, it promotes the growth of higher quality crops. Currently, in the Republic of the Philippines, there is a serious waste disposal problem due to rapid economic growth. In Legazpi City, the demand for disposal of garbage that accounts for 60% of waste cannot be kept up with, and the measures that enable efficient disposal of a large amount of garbage are needed. Therefore, a focus was placed on the agriculture industry. Philippines' major industry is agriculture, mainly rice cultivation. However, this country is dependent on rice imports and is struggling to improve agricultural productivity. As measures that solve these two problems, using compost production using organic waste is considered to be effective. To show how the compost is produced, the composting flow is introduced next. This is a recycling plant where general household garbage, livestock manure, forest thinnings, and so on are disposed of collectively for composting. The processes from raw material input to composting are automated to produce high-quality compost. It is an environment-friendly composting plant where no pollution or waste are generated. First, the household garbage used as raw material is weighed in the administration building. Because a truck scale is used, the garbage can be weighed while still on trucks. In the storage warehouse, forest thinnings are crushed to produce sawdust. 12 crushing blades crush forest thinnings to achieve a production volume of 50 to 70 cubic meters a day. The sawdust produced here is utilized as subsidiary material. Raw materials such as garbage and livestock manure are put into the raw material input hopper, and subsidiary materials such as dry leaves and forest thinnings are put into the subsidiary material hopper, and they are mixed in the mixing machine. Slurry livestock manure is put into the solid-liquid separator to eliminate solids and then is transferred to the liquid fertilizer generation machine to generate liquid fertilizer. Mixing raw materials and subsidiary materials at an appropriate ratio in this machine adjusts the moisture percentage optimally and achieves good aerobic fermentation. The raw materials that are transferred automatically from the mixing machine by the conveyor are accumulated in this vessel, agitated by the screw that reciprocates and revolves around the vessel center, and then fermented. The elements of fermentation are temperature, air, moisture, nutrient sources, and microorganisms. And among these elements, the temperature and air are supplied in a balanced way through the agitation and aeration with the screw. The compost that is automatically transferred from the round fermenter by conveyor belt is accumulated in this vessel and agitated by the screw that moves in all directions in the vessel. By continuing the agitation in this machine for approximately 65 days, high quality and safe compost that causes no barrier to crop growth can be obtained. From the compost, coarse foreign matter is eliminated through the mesh of the trommel. Then, only high-quality compost is transferred to the weighing section, packed and finished as product. Vegetables produced using Midori compost are high in quality, so they are handled as brand vegetables and sold with a Midori label. Motegi Town sells the label for 10 yen per sheet to farmers and has succeeded in achieving fiscal soundness through collecting revenue. Finished compost passes into the hands of farmers and plays a role in supporting the production of abundant crops in the soil.
フィリピンではゴミ問題っていうのが大変大きな問題となっております。我々の機械を使って生ゴミから堆肥を作るということで、これからフィリピンの方で事業を進めていきたいと考えております。
To realize the preservation of our beautiful earth and creation of a human-friendly environment, we appreciate the earth that has given the stuff of life and will leave to our posterity the earth in a better state.